our days of the week. Yesterday I thought you know how many days in a week? How many days in a week? There are 7 days. What are they? See, look at this. What are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Correct? So, these are the days of the week. I hope everyone did the calendar activity. Everyone did the calendar activity for Sunday and Monday. Yes? Yes. Okay. Daily have to do the calendar activity. Okay. For today, calendar activity is, what day this is? What day this is? Tuesday. What day this is? Tuesday. What day? Everyone see closer. Should not read the T-U-U-E-S like this. You have to see the word whole and you have to understand the word. What word this is? Tuesday. What word this is? Tuesday. Okay. You have to take your calendar and you have to mark the word Tuesday. Okay baby. See. Come on. Come on. See what I thought yesterday. So now you have to learn 3 days. What are these? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Everyone is clear? Come on. Now tell me what is the day this is? What is the day? Come on, tell me. What day? Yes, exactly. Super. What is this day? Sunday. What is this day? Sunday. Okay, come on. Come on. See, everyone tell me. Now what is this word? What is this day? Yes, this is a Monday. What is this word? Monday. What is this word? Monday. Very good. Excellent. Good job. Come on. See, what is the new day? Today we learned this one, you know. What is this one? Tuesday. What is this one? Tuesday. Okay. You take your calendar and you have to mark all these 3 days. Okay. Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Language time. Okay. Today classes we going to recall the letters from A to N. Okay. Today we are going to see our old friend and new friend along together. See. See the card. See the card. What is this letter? Capital A. What is this letter? Small letter A. A for aeroplane. Ant. Okay kids. Come. Next. What is this letter? Capital B. What is this letter? Small b. What's the sound of letter B? Balloon. Butterfly. Come, let's see the next letter. What is this? Capital letter C. This is small letter C. C for cat. Camel. Okay, let's see the next letter. Come on. What is this letter? Capital letter D. This is small letter D. D for duck. Dinosaur. See, next letter. What is this? Capital letter E. This is small letter E. E for egg. Elephant. Okay, come. Let's see the next letter. Come on. See, come on. What is this letter? Capital letter F. This is small letter F. F for face. Flower. Clear baby? Everyone is clear? Come. Let's see the next letter. Come on. See. What is this letter? Capital letter G. This is small letter G. What's the sound of letter G? Grapes. Goat. Okay. Come on. Next. What is this letter? Capital letter H. This is small letter H. What's the sound of letter H? House. Horse. Okay. H. Then what is this letter? What is this letter? I. What is this letter? I. What is this? This is a capital letter I. What is this? Small letter I. I for iron box. Ice cream. See what is this picture? iron box. Okay, E iron box. Next, shall we see the next letter? Come on. What is this letter? Capital letter J. This is small letter J. What the sound of letter J? J, jockey, J, juice. Okay, let's see letter K. See everyone, come on. What is this letter? What is this letter? Capital letter K. This is small letter K. What the sound of letter K? K, height, K, kangaroo. Okay baby, let's see letter L. See everyone, look at here, capital letter L. This is small letter L. What's the sound of letter L? Line, lamb. Okay, today I have to recall the letters from A to